have sold it, I'd do like.
Today I'm super excited to be checking out this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. Tell me a little bit about the specs, power, torque. What does it got?
So it's bone stock other than the JLT cold air intake.
Okay.
And a mid-muffler delete, window tint all the way around, 5 extra horsepower.
Oh yeah.
I put this these nice racing stripes on it all the way to the back.
All right.
And we'll move on to the inside.
What do we got inside here?
So right here we have, you can't really see it very well, but we have Starlight. Yeah, you can't really see it at all.
Okay.
COBRA dash cam, COBRA radar detector, red seat belts, beautiful inside and out.
Plenty of space.
Yellow brake calipers, my favorite part of the whole thing.
That's your favorite part? The yellow brake calipers. All right.
Tow hitch, you never know when you're gonna have to pull a GTR all the way back from Carolina.
That's happened?
That's happened.
Oh
Yeah, we were on a rally. Shout out RK Rally. The GTR's transmission locked up in second gear. Went to U-Haul, pulled it all the way back.
Oh my gosh.
See the inside, very spacious.
Yeah. So as far as horsepower, how much horsepower does this thing have?
707, about 715 at the crank with the cold air intake.
Okay.
Ignore the green belt. I blew the other belt off, so I had to finesse.
Is it pretty quick?
Oh, it's real quick.
What's the 0 to 60 time on these?
0 to 60, I had it 3.4 seconds.
Oh my god.
Quarter mile was 11.9 on the draggy.
What's the top speed on these?
Top speed from the factory I think was 178. This one is a little bit quicker than that, but
oh, did you just take the limiter off or something?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the fastest you've ever driven this thing?
We were on a rally and we got a private airport and I had it up to 188.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
that's pretty fast for a thing this size.
Yeah, man. You just look in your rearview mirror and you see a big old brick coming towards you.
That's insane.
Bone stock wheels.
Stock wheels. What about the tires? What are you running?
A Toros, 295s. They're great. All
Okay.
awesome for launches.
All right. Are there any future modifications you want to do to this thing?
So I would like to do the full bolt-on E85 where you do the upper and lower pulleys, different cold air intake, injectors, and put it on different fuel.
What would that bring the power up to?
It'll be about 4 digits.
Okay.
Somewhere between 1100 and 1200. Then it'll be a beast.
How long have you had this for?
Had it since February of 22.
Okay,
Yeah.
since you've owned it, so yeah, a little over a year now. Have you liked driving it? Have you liked it in general? What's your opinions on it as coming from the owner?
I love this car, other than the attention it brings, because there's a ton of it. You know, if a cop sees you, he's gonna pull you over. That's a given. The first day I had it, coming back from Jackson, Michigan, did a launch at a light and got pulled over.
Oh my gosh.
Within like an hour of having it. He wasn't mad, no ticket or anything, but yeah.
All right. What's one thing you would change and something you don't like about the car? Your least favorite thing, I guess.
Okay. My least favorite thing about the car isn't anything major at all. This metal Trackhawk on the floor mat. When your shoes get wet, your feet just glide across it and it's annoying. I do not like it. That's literally, this car other than that is perfect.
Interesting. All right. So this thing catches people's eyes. Has anyone ever tried to break into it?
Oh yeah, they tried. So they actually broke this back window right here.
What?
They broke the back window out and tried to get in, but I don't know what happened. I don't know why they didn't get it, but they didn't.
Oh my gosh. That's
yeah,
insane.
They took my watch. Right in my driveway too. Right,
oh, that
right in the
sucks.
driveway.
All right, well, should we take it on a spin?
Let's do it.
That sounds awesome.
Basically, your goal is to scare me, just don't kill me.
Yeah, noted.
All right. Woo! That's a tank. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. That's so much power. People try to race you a lot?
Oh yeah.
All the time?
Oh yeah.
We can run with the windows down.
Okay.
Let's do it. Woo! That was awesome.
That was loud.
That was so loud. Oh my goodness.
That was funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the attention I don't want.
Yeah, everybody's like cheering at you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet. Whoa. It just sounds incredible, too. Weird. Yeah, lots of attention. Do you like the interior of this thing?
Yeah, because it's not the same as like a regular Jeep, you know?
The downshifts are nuts.
Yeah.
Woo! Holy crap. Oh man, wow. Oh, that's just the best sound. Oh. The supercharger whine and just the raw power makes one of the best sound ever.
Yep.
Any other vehicles when you bought this one?
So I was looking at a couple cars. The GT500, the Plaid, the Hellcat Red Eye, or the Trackhawk.
Okay.
My thing that really sold me on this, you see Hellcats everywhere.
Yes.
The GT500 is just incredibly fast. You know, it was a close second.
Yeah.
The Plaid didn't make any noise, which is weird to me.
Yeah, that's weird.
So the Trackhawk, you know, you barely see them, and I was like, this is it. Like,
oh yeah.
This has to be the one.
Yeah, you do see Hellcats everywhere, and I haven't seen one of these driving around here in a while. Like,
exactly. It's my all-time favorite thing.
Another reason it gets so much attention.
Yeah. And the stripes ain't really helping me. I was gonna take them off today, actually.
Oh, they look awesome though. You gotta keep them. Just like barely stepping on it, the supercharger whines like crazy.
Yeah, it does, man.
It sounds so good. Oh my gosh. That's awesome.
You see them guys?
Yeah, I'm sure like everybody's like freaking out when it goes by if they know what it is.
Yeah.
And even if they don't know what it is, when
they're
hear
still
that,
like, what is going on?
yeah. So how much do one of these go for? How much is this worth?
Oh, right now if I would have sold it, I'd do like 85.
Okay. You probably don't come across things you'll lose in a race against very often.
Modded cars are my biggest issue.
Yeah.
Like there's a GT500, I don't even think anyone can touch.
Really?
Like it's crazy fast. Any actually stock GT500s I'm not touching.
Yeah. Really?
But like Hellcats I'm right there with until about 150. And then the power, the weight takes over, and then it's kind of like, good luck.
Yeah. How much do these weigh?
I think it was like 4,800 pounds or 5,300 pounds.
It's crazy these can go that fast. They're just so big. I mean, there's tons of space in here. I want to give a big thanks to Brandon for letting us film this thing. Go give him a follow on Instagram at I'mLordBrandon. If you're new to my channel and you're liking this content, I will be posting a brand new video every single week, so be sure to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you next time.